Mi.
Pahinga muna. O, paboritong day tamang angkan.
Thank you, Mi.
Nangyari na ba sa inyo to? Dapat ba tumakbo sa ospital? Alam mo bang tamang gawin? Nowadays, there's no need to panic. Para malaman ang dapat gawin, isang text lang. Introducing the Nursekol Prepaid Card from Asian Telehealth Services Incorporated. With just one text, you will get timely healthcare advice wherever you are in the country, at whatever time, 7 days a week. Through the use of telecommunications technology, we provide callers easy access to healthcare advice. Our specially trained telehealth nurses assess the client caller's symptoms using the award-winning software of PhoneMed North America to provide safe, timely, effective, and accurate disposition. PhoneMed is the gold standard in the telehealth industry worldwide, currently used in countries like the US, Canada, and Mexico. Armed with 686,000 protocols, Nursekol's telehealth nurses are able to assess the situation of the caller, thereby arriving at a safe disposition or course of action based on the symptoms presented by the caller. Whether you're in the middle of the city or far away in the provinces, healthcare advice is just one text away. With this service, patients can move away from the accompanying expenses of going to the doctor or hospital for medical advice without sufficient reason except fear and worry. Imagine saving thousands of pesos in transport, time, and avoidable emergency room visits. Not to mention unnecessary fear and worry. Our telehealth service can range from simple advice on treatment for common illnesses at home to directions for follow-up with a specialist, first aid treatments, or instructions to proceed to the closest hospital emergency facility.
As the first to introduce this kind of service in Southeast Asia, Asian Telehealth Services' mission is to become the most complete and competent telehealth advice provider. Our commitment to uplift our healthcare system drives us to constantly strive to redefine the standards of excellence in the service we provide to the public. Ultimately, our main goal is to democratize and upgrade the level of healthcare for all of our countrymen. We believe that ATSI can fulfill the wide gap that exists by providing world-class medical advice to millions of Filipinos who have never been able to afford this kind of medical attention.
Our Nursekol uses an award-winning tele-triage software of PhoneMed of USA, which is based on Dr. Smith & Thompson's clinical content that is considered as the premier in its category worldwide and is periodically reviewed by an outstanding group of medical practitioners.
As the licensee of PhoneMed LLC of North America, we are bringing the gold standard in the telehealth industry to our countrymen. Furthermore, the democratization of this one-of-a-kind service doesn't stop with every Filipino getting medical advice. With Nursekol Card being made available through multi-level marketing, we are also helping many Filipinos release their entrepreneurial spirit, earn good money, and spur economic activity in our country.
The Nursekol Card is a prepaid card that can be bought from our authorized ATSI stockists and distributors. It's so easy to use. It can readily be accessed through mobile phones. It's also world-class because the Nursekol Card uses a uniquely patented software technology that contains Dr. Schmidt and Thompson's clinical content, digitally available to millions of users worldwide, and now in the Philippines. This means you can get 24/7 access to healthcare advice anytime you need it. Timely healthcare advice is just one text away, anytime, anywhere in the country. There's nothing better. Nursekol Prepaid Cards from Asian Telehealth Services. Walang tulugang tulungan.